adventure. We're going to do a vehicle we've never done before. Luke likes Toyotas, I like smart cars, so we figured let's throw an Isuzu into the mix. But not just any Isuzu.
A Chevrolet Isuzu.
A Chevrolet Isuzu. Chevy Chevette Diesel. A vehicle we've never worked on before. Unfortunately, this is not going to be like one of our normal rescues. We are actually on our way to go pick it up currently now and bring it back to Luke's garage, and we'll work on it in our spare time and hopefully get this thing running. So we're going to drive there, show you guys a little bit of the drive. Well, we got around the trailer now. Use the poor man's winch. Don't worry, I have a winch. Just gotta put it on. So we're gonna strap it down, back up the hill. We got 2 spare transmissions that come with the car. Got another seat for it and some tires. Well, we just got food and came out, and nobody's stolen the car yet, so I guess that's a win. Hey, so made it back to Luke's house. Over there. See all his cars in the back. So we figured out this is a 1983 Chevy Chevette Diesel. Previous owner says they did a head gasket and a new injection pump, and it doesn't quite start very well. We think the timing might be off, but you can tell it's got a new injection pump down there. I have no idea, honestly, what I'm looking at on this car, except for that's an injection pump, that's an engine, that says oil, that's the intake. It says, do not use starting fluid. So, we're going to learn a lot on this car. It's got some weird valves, I think, for the heater box or something. But the car came with a lot of parts. We got a seat, there's 2 transmissions, a couple sets of wheels and tires there. It's going to be an interesting build. Luke and I are going to learn quite a bit. You can kind of see the wording Chevette was in this general area here on the fenders. The car appears to be a silver flavor underneath. It's more of like a battleship gray color. It's actually really solid underneath. I found a small little rustle over here, but for a 1983, it's 39 years old, roughly. got a Grant steering wheel and horn button or something. Window's broken. I asked for a full refund because of the broken window, and that didn't happen. But hey, it's got a lot of parts. Door panels. I have no idea what that is. These are Subaru seats. A radiator, a muffler. More parts in the trunk. It's gonna definitely be a nice little learning curve on this car. I don't know what that is. Probably some kind of weird seam, or somebody did a patch job there at one point. Oh yeah, it's a patch job between here and here. It's still pretty solid though. But stay tuned to my channel here and to Luke's channel. I'll put a link down in the description and maybe put it across here in a second. But he is the Bearded Wrencher here on YouTube. Does a lot of Volvo and Toyota Tercel style videos. You've seen him on a couple of my videos where we did a couple Toyota rescues. And hopefully we're gonna learn how to work on this thing. I found these glasses in the Chevette on the dash, so by far, great purchase so far. A little small for my face, but they'll work. This is a Isuzu motor. Everything I've seen online, it says it's like a 1.4, 1.3 liter 4-cylinder. On the tag under the hood, it says 1.8, but I'm not sure if that's from the gas motor car or if this hood's been replaced, you know, being 39 years old. Yeah, 39 years old. It's quite possible parts have been swapped over, but the car was silver before, and now it's Battleship Gray. If you guys have any information on this car, feel free to comment down in the description or the comments box, just so I can learn some more about these cars. My grandma had a couple when I was a kid, got in a couple accidents with them, and my dad and my uncle actually learned to drive on a stick shift Chevy Chevette as well. Theirs were gas and not diesel. But yeah, really looking forward to learning more about this car with Luke. I'm gonna go help him here. He's trying to push cars out of the way so we can move this here at his house. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. Please like and subscribe if you can. Thanks. Smell clutch.